counting the cattle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting the cattle just to check if they're alive. I'm counting the cattle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm counting the cattle once again. Well, the first little cow, she went for a climb. She went up the mountain and they was just 9. The second little cow went out for a date. Discovered it was Wolfie and then we were 8. I'm counting the cattle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting the cattle just to check if they're alive. I'm counting the cattle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm counting my cattle once again. Well, number 3 and number 4, they were longhorn chicks. They met some horny bulls, now I'm only counting 6. Number 5, 6, and 7 went out without their key, and now they're hanging at the porches, and I'm only counting 3. I'm counting the cattle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting the cattle just to check if they're alive. I'm counting the cattle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm counting my cattle once again. Well, the 8 and the 9 said we're never having fun, and then they packed things and left, and now I'm only counting 1. Now you see we are alone, me and Molly, but she's brown, spreaded, cheerful, and she's jolly. You know, she milks herself every day, and she promised me that she'll stay. But our son is a mutant, but who gives a damn? I mean, when the folks downtown calls us Mr. and Ma'am. I'm counting the cattle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting the cattle just to check if they're alive. I'm counting the cattle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm counting the cattle once again. I'm counting the cattle once again. I'm counting the cattle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting the cattle just to check if they're alive. I'm counting the cattle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm counting the cattle once again. Well, the first little cow, she went for a climb. She went up the mountain and they was just 9. The second little cow went out for a date. Discovered it was Wolfie and then we were 8. I'm counting the cattle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm counting the cattle just to check if they're